Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a install for you guys. So today we're gonna install some rotors, some drills and slotted rotors on the G, and these are the ones I'm putting on. I already sprayed them a little bit to match the brake calipers. So yeah, that's how the G is looking right now. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the G, or what kind of mods you guys like. So let's get into the video. So first I'm gonna jack up the car right now. Got the jack right there and the drill to like screw it up. So I'm gonna jack it up and then get started. Okay guys, so I jacked up the car, take off the wheel. So I'm gonna put the jack stand under it, and I'm starting on the front passenger side. So we're gonna put the jack stand under it and get started. So I jacked it up a little bit more and put the jack stand under it with the jack. So first I'm off to pull the brake calipers. I'm off to pull them first to get these off, to get this off. So I'm off to pull the brake caliper, and I think they are 14 millimeter. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna use the ratchet, and as I said, it's gonna be a 14. It's gonna be a 14 millimeter. So I'm gonna use the ratchet right here. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm finished taking this off. Okay guys, so I just took the bolt out, one from here and one from underneath here. So there they go right there. So we could take off the caliper now. I'm gonna show you real quick. I can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna show you guys when I took it off. Okay guys, so as I said before, these 14s is to like change the brake pads. If you want to take all the caliper off, you're gonna have to pull these around here. You're gonna have to pull this one, this, and one more right there. So those are 22, and I'm using this one, this big one. Okay guys, so when you take the bolts out, it's 22, so it's just gonna come off just like this. See, it's already off. It's because I'm using one hand, but it's already off guys. Just like that, it's off. And these are the ones I'm gonna put on right now. So these are the fronts and those are the rears. So I'm gonna put it right back on, just like how I take it off. And yeah, that's how you change your rotor. Okay guys, so I just got it on, put it on back. So here we go, got drills and slotted now. So time to put back on the brake caliper. It's the same procedure, like how you take it off, you put it back on. So okay guys, so I just put it on, and remember to put back these bolts, the 22, and now I'm in the process of putting back this one. So yeah guys, just like that, and the same thing for all of them too. So I'm gonna do one front one and one rear, to let you guys see how to install the rotors. So yeah, so far so good. And I'm using my drill to like put it in. So I'm gonna go over it with the ratchet to make sure it's tightened. Yeah. So make sure you guys tighten it good. All right, that one is good. Time to do this one. And I'm gonna spray the caliper over. I'm gonna repaint it. Okay guys, so I just did a touch-up spray with the purple. So my caliper is gonna be purple. Yeah guys, so that's how you install the front ones. So you're gonna need a 22 to pull the caliper around there to take all of it off, and basically that's it. Okay guys, so just like that, the wheel is on, and here we go. Got drills and slotted now. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys wanna see. Let me know what you guys think. So now I'm gonna start on the rear. So I'm gonna take this wheel off and put on this side. Okay guys, so I take the wheel off on the rear. So yeah, that's how it's looking. So to pull this, you're gonna need a 1/4, 1 1/4 socket to go over this. So that's why you take the rotor off, but you're gonna have to pull these 22 around here again. Okay guys, so I take off the wheel, take one bolt out, and socket is gonna be 19, but I'm using a spanner right now, a wrench. So yeah, just one screw leave, and then the brake caliper is gonna come off, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, so I take off the brake caliper, and I just take off the old rotor. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the new one, put it on, and don't mind guys, it's just me. I bent the shield so I could get space to like hold the rotor like this, take it off. So I bent this, but it's totally up to you guys if you want to bend it or how you want to get it off. But make sure say the brake inside is not depressed, because if it's depressed, it's not gonna come off. So make sure the brake is not on, and jack stand is on there. So let's get it. Get the next rotor for the rear. So I'm gonna put this one on, line it up, make sure they both the same, like that. They are the same. So let's put on this one first, and then put on back the brake caliper with the brake, and basically that's it. So I'm gonna put this one on first. I'm gonna try use one hand. It's gonna be hard, but so just like that. the rotor is on, so time to put the brake. And remember guys, it's gonna be 19. And these, you don't have to take these out. You only take these out when you're gonna remove the axle. For these bolts, you're only gonna remove these for the axle if you're changing the axle. But yeah, that's how you install your rotors. Okay guys, remember to put back your brake calipers and put back the bolt right here. So it's gonna be 19. So you put this one to hold it, then I'm gonna put back this one under the bottom. So it's gonna go like right here, right here. So make sure the caliper is lined up. Make sure the caliper is lined up and screw it back. And right here you don't have any space, so you could use the ratchet or the spanner, the 19. And that's how you put back your brake caliper. Make sure everything is tightened and everything. Yeah, that's it. And again, make sure you guys drop a comment, like, subscribe. So after you put on the brake caliper, make sure you tighten it up and it's finished. Time to put on the wheel. Okay guys, so I jacked up the passenger side now. So I'm gonna do the front one first. And remember, the bolts are 22. So I'm gonna pull it and change the rotor and let you guys see how it looks. And bear in mind, it's the same procedure as the passenger side. Okay guys, so the front one is on now. There you go. So I'm starting on the rear one for the driver's side. Remember, you're gonna have to use a 19mm socket or 20, whichever you could fit. And yeah, that's about it.